Okay. The first cue card, another 1 minute to go, but yes, first cue card, who will speak on this?
I will.
Nirali? Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll have another two students speak on the same cue card. We need more ideas. Chayank, you are going to speak.
Yes.
Okay. And Anu Sood. Okay. You'll be speaking on this, right? You are here?
On the first one, ma'am.
Yes. First, Nirali will speak, then you will speak, then one more student will speak. Okay. The same cue card, first one. We have different ideas from different students. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, if I can join you with another cue card, not for this one because I'm having another meeting on my laptop as well.
Oh, yes, you can go ahead, attend your meeting. I'll give this to Himmatveer. No, Himmatveer.
Ma'am, I can.
Let me see some
I can.
GT student.
Ma'am,
Can I go?
Kinjal. Kinjal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So first Nirali, okay? You've prepared, Nirali?
Just
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay. Start. Just 1 second.
Okay.
I have put up the timer. And
Yes.
And of course, how can I record so that I can give you a feedback nicely? Or I'll make a note of the mistakes. Okay, just let me get my notebook here. Okay. Yes, and all of you are the examiners. Okay, so there are so many examiners. One person is speaking, and there are 43 examiners in the class, and you will all note down the mistakes, right? Chalo, start.
Okay, so I would like to talk about the piece of international news which I recently heard. It is about the COVID-19 vaccine. So we all knows that recently all of world suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic. So in November 2020. The news came about the vaccine. I have a habit of reading the internet news every day. So during the November, I read that the World Health Organization approved.
Please, the rest of the students, please mute yourself. That's a request.
So the rest of so World Health Organization approved the
मैम आप कर दो म्यूट सबको
मैंने म्यूट ऑल कर दिया है पर अब निराली अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो ठीक है
Yeah. So World Health Organization approved the vaccine of the one company which is known as Pfizer because of pandemic. The news also said that because of pandemic they approved this vaccine earlier. Already they had research for 1 year, but because to get a hold of the pandemic, they approved the vaccine earlier. And because I am a healthcare worker, so it's very important news for me. And I was very excited and happy about it, and I recently got the first dose of the vaccine. And after 21 days, which is on 12th January, I will take my second dose of vaccine also. So it and I also like to create awareness about the vaccine because there are certain fake news about this vaccine. It creates side effects and all, but it's very safe vaccine. And because of this vaccine, maybe we can get hold from this pandemic, and everyone will be safe because
Okay,
of this
Nirali,
vaccine.
2 minutes. You've spoken very well. I want to know if anybody of you has caught any mistake. She'll definitely go a 7. Do you all agree with me in what she has spoken, despite the mistakes? There were 3, 4, but you know, they were minor mistakes. And of course, I'm not saying she'll get a 9, but definite 7 plus. उसमें मुझे कोई doubt नहीं है. So tell me, mistakes. Who is caught?
All knows. It is all no.
Yes, we all knows. I've noted
Yeah.
that down. It's we all know. Okay, with plural,
No.
it is
Yes.
yes. Okay.
मैम
Then-
क्रिएट साइड इफेक्ट बोला.
क्या बोला?
क्रिएट साइड इफेक्ट.
Creates.
Create side effects. Yeah, okay.
Or all of world, the whole world. All of world nahi, the whole world.
Whole world, yes. Okay.
Okay. The
Yes,
November.
ma'am.
The November. You don't say the before November, before months.
In November, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. It is very
Yes.
important news. You heard it last November, so it should be.
It was.
It was very important news. ठीक है?
It was very important.
Because you
Yes,
heard
yes.
it and you also
Yeah.
said na, that in November.
Yes, in
Yes,
November.
Samiksha,
Yeah.
you
So
want to say
it's
something? Okay, it's very nice. Now, Chayank, your turn for the same cue card. We'll get
Ma'am?
different ideas.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. मैम समीक्षा का ग्रुप में मैसेज आया है, आप प्लीज रीड कर लें.
एक मिनट. मुझे ना एक तो ये पता नहीं चलता कैसे रीड करूं.
she's saying that you are not audible.
But am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
there is something wrong at Samiksha's end. है ना? If I were not audible, I would not be audible to all of you, right?
She might not have joined the
Yes,
audio
ma'am.
over the internet.
Yeah.
So can anybody type in any solution for her?
Yes.
Just type in any solution.
She can rejoin the meeting now.
Huh?
She can rejoin the meeting.
Rejoin. Okay, join your internet audio. Okay, somebody is written. Good. Okay. Thanks, aa gaya. Chalo.
Good
Okay,
morning,
Chayank,
ma'am.
your turn now. You'll speak for 2 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये नए क्यू कार्ड हैं जो
नहीं
अभी
है,
आए?
नहीं है, रीना.
ओके
Okay.
मैम.
हाँ. नहीं है.
I'll start.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, it is a good for both GT student as well as the academic students.
Yes, there's no difference in speaking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, describe a piece of international news you have just recently heard.
Yes.
I always like to stay updated with the international news as well as the current affairs that are taking place around me these days, and I keep a check them.
Just 1 second. Oh my God. Priya?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. 23 13 63. Okay.
23,
13 63. Okay.
13, 66.
हाँ, अभी कॉल मत करना, मेरी क्लास है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please start again. I'm so sorry for that.
Yes, ma'am. So, describe a piece of international news you have just recently heard.
Yes.
I'm a very active follower of the current affairs these days, and I have a habit of following all the international as well as the domestic news these days. The recent news that I would like to recount and tell when having asked about which I have been heard recently is about the second wave of the COVID-19 virus that has been prevalent among nations and their strategy to mitigate it with the persistent lockdowns that have been put down these days. I just came across this news when I just switched on my laptop and was skimming over the internet for the daily news and updates, and I was just about to start my work, and I always make it a habit that I start my work and stay updated with the news these days because it helps me to plan my schedule and even my site visits that are there in different states. So I am always in a need to travel. the thing that made me, I had mixed feelings about the news, because already having been faced the lockdown once, it was a hard time for every one of us. But I felt this time nations are very proactive about like putting up lockdowns and mitigating the spread of the new virus, which is all like 70% or more infective in nature. So the other feeling was that I'll have again have to be locked up in a room, and work from home will extend for me. And this would create delays at work end, as well as at the it will affect the economy more and hit it worst this time in case of India.
Okay, it's 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. All the other examiners now, examiner number 52 examiners now in the class. Any mistake?
वो जो स्टार्टिंग में जो बोला था कि जो न्यूज बताने वाले वो आस्क अबाउट समथिंग, वो कुछ रॉन्ग बोल दिया था सेंटेंस
Be stay updated. I always like to be stay updated. ये बोला था छायांक आपने?
I do not remember.
Okay, now if I say I always like to be stay updated, just correct the sentence.
Yeah, I always like to stay updated with the current affairs.
And apart from this one mistake, I think it was an 8+. I didn't find any mistake. You spoke very well. You covered all the cues very nicely, and it was very natural way in which you were speaking. Perfect, very nice. That is what is needed actually. The IELTS speaking. You have to be natural. You have to answer all the cues. You answered all the cues very well. Okay.
Yes.
And I would suggest all of you first answer all these cues in the first 30-40 seconds and then expand. So the examiner can stop you then at 1.5 minutes. He spoke full 2 minutes. Nirali spoke full 2 minutes. They both spoke very well. Okay. And if anybody else caught any grammatical error, you can please speak out now. Maybe I've missed something. किसी को नहीं मिला ना कुछ? Okay.
Ma'am, I have recorded it. So in case like you, I'll just go through it again and post it into the GT group if I have made any mistakes there.
Okay. You please do that. Okay. That will be nice. So people can listen to it again. You spoke very well and very naturally. Good. Yes, Kinjal, can we have it from you?
Yes, ma'am. So describe a piece of international news you have just recently heard. Since childhood, I have been interested in reading news, and it has become my habit to read news every day in the morning. So recently, when I was just going through the headlines in my phone, I just came across one news which was about how world is kind of trying to celebrate Christmas in different ways during these pandemic times. Since we all know that because of COVID-19, everyone is stuck at home and they are working from home, and it has really affected the way we celebrate festivals, and it has changed our whole routine. So when I read this news, it was really interesting for me to see how government and citizens are coming together to find different ways, and they are trying to make the most of this Christmas time. So when I was reading the news, I was just sitting and talking to my family whether like will we be able to celebrate the upcoming festivals in the new year, next year. And then this news came up. So I felt that it was interesting, like in Italy, France, and other cities, there were in those countries are celebrating it. Like there are certain restrictions which they have, but even within those restrictions, there is a window for them to come out and celebrate in evenings, and also go for shopping and make the most. So there was this headline by WHO, World Health Organization, which said that it will be a different Christmas, but definitely it doesn't mean that it cannot be a merry one. And that line really, I felt more interested to read about it, and then I came to know that other countries like Germany and many cities in US.
It's 2 minutes. You spoke very well, Kinjal. And what you need to do is you need to recognize when the 2 minutes are going to be over, and you need to learn how
Plan
to
mine.
end your cue card also. Okay, so
Yes.
that will come with a little practice. On the whole, you spoke very well. Did you answer all the cues? Did you answer what you were doing when you heard the news?
Yes, I was just sitting. That's what I said.
Okay, explain how you felt about
Uh,
this piece of international news.
I felt really good because that's what I said. That made me more interested in reading about it
Yes.
since, yeah,
So
we
very
all.
nice. Anybody who caught any mistake?
मैम इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था इन माई फोन, तो ऑन माई
Yeah,
फोन नहीं आएगा?
I was reading
Yes,
on my phone. On my phone.
on my phone. Yeah, on my phone.
Okay, good.
And she did similar mistake like me. We all knows. We all know.
We all knows बोला.
No?
Yeah.
No, I don't remember. Maybe.
मेरे में नहीं नोट करा, बट हो सकता है. अच्छा छयांक, आपने एक वो जो इकोनॉमी वर्ड बोला उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या बोली थी?
इकोनॉमी.
इकोनॉमी नहीं है प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इकोनॉमी.
इकोनॉमी.
ओके, इकोनॉमी.
Okay.
Chalo, very nice. So let's do the follow-up questions. How do Indian people usually get news? Let me ask somebody. How do Indian people usually get news? Yes.
Ma'am, people are usually get news by using a different transmission media such as television, radio, as well as printed newspapers. So they get information about the world as well as their own country.
Okay. Which kind of news is more popular, domestic news or international news? Let me ask somebody else. Let everybody participate in this. So, who would like to answer? Who would like to answer? Himatveer, what kind of news is more popular, domestic news or international news?
Well, I believe international news are most popular because it is just spread in all over the world, and it is related to anything that is important for everyone, such as nowadays the news related to COVID, and everyone worried about it, that what will happen.
Okay, so while we are doing these follow-up questions, I would give you the guesswork of the essays also. There are essays in both academic and general book about the news, international news. Some people like to watch international news. Some people like to watch national news. Very important now from your perspective, both academic and GT students. जिन essays में भी news की बात आ गई, वो सारे essays आपके लिए guesswork हैं. ओके, सबको अच्छे से कर लेना. अब मेरे को एंड में पूछते हो गेसवर्क. ओके, गेसवर्क ऐसे मैं साथ साथ बता रही हूँ, नोट कर लो. ठीक है? all the essays which has domestic, local news, international news. Okay, there is in the academic book, secondary school students should have international news as a subject. That essay is also important. Which news is more important, local news or international news? वो भी एक essay है. Okay, तो ये सारे essays guesswork है, तो ये सारे essays कर लेना. ठीक है? Okay, next question. Do you think children should pay more attention to the news? Reena?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think children should pay more attention to news?
Yes, I think children should pay more attention to international news. Ma'am, is this the question?
No, this is not in the question. Just news is in the question. Do you think children should pay more attention to the news?
Yes, I think children should pay more attention to the news because news are listening news very helpful to their academic and for their overall development. In this way, they come to know about what is happening in their surroundings at national or international level, and in this way they can aware about the happenings and what will be the effect on them.
They become more informed citizens. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else who would like to add anything to this answer? We'll get ideas
Yes.
to answer.
Yes, it will also improve the reading and listening skill and grammatical and range of vocabulary
Yeah.
because of reading the news,
Yes. So
and
yes.
command on the language also because
Okay.
it yeah.
Anybody else who would like to add anything to this answer?
Ma'am, GK knowledge.
Huh?
Ma'am, GK knowledge, it will be very beneficial for those students who are preparing for the government job, as well as they want to participate in a quiz competition. For example, Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Very good. Anybody else who would like to?
I
Because
would
see,
like
we
to
are
add one,
not
ma'am.
just doing the follow-up questions. What we are doing indirectly is also that if you get an essay, you will have ideas for that, right? I'm not just preparing you for 4-line answer for the follow-up questions of the speaking. This is generally a
Yes.
combined class of writing and speaking both. If you get an essay which is not there in your book about children reading news, children should paying attention to news, then you will have ideas if you have discussed them here. You won't find difficulty in writing an essay, planning an essay also. Am I right? You think
Yes.
yes. So
Yes.
Ma'am,
yes.
I would like to add one, ma'am.
Yes.
Parents should focus on what children are watching, because they should not allow to watch like a crime scene or if any brutal murder was happening. So because that can harmful for them.
That can be harmful for them. Okay. So, but parents should keep an eye on what children watch, and they should not watch news on crime or programs on crime, even if they are true stories. That is what you mean to say, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you can say that.
And also it will improve like if children come to know about the local and regional area and weather also, like weather of the
Yes.
part, and yeah, so it will improve their geographical knowledge also.
How is the news media changing recently? How is the news media changing recently? Nishika, would you like to answer this question? How is the news media changing recently? Mishika का disconnect हो रहा है बार बार. There's some problem. Okay. Indrajit, would you like to say how is the news media changing recently?
And what I should say, I
Yes.
don't have any idea.
No idea.
Sorry.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, yes, I can.
Yes. Diksha. Yes. Diksha. बोलना
हाँ जी
Only one person who has to speak should speak out. Sana would like to speak. Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how is the news media changing recently?
I'm not in news too much, so I have no idea. I'll be very honest. I was just thinking, what should I talk about this? But today I got to know I have to learn.
When students will give an answer, you will
yes.
media person are
media.
I'm not getting your voice, ma'am. Please repeat.
When other students will speak on this question, then you will realize that it was not a very difficult thing to answer. Okay, let's have the answer from somebody else.
Ma'am, media is very interactive with public nowadays.
Reena बोल रही है. Reena, English. बोलो.
Ma'am, media person are very interactive with public nowadays.
Okay, how is the media changing?
The delivering of the news system is updating, and the technology is more advanced. And in the past, the news is delivered from the written or a paper form, but nowadays it's electrical. It's changed to the electrical media.
Electronic.
In electronic media. Sorry, yes.
Media.
So yeah. So because of that, the and internet. So nowadays the news is more globalized, and the speed of the delivering news is very fast. And we come, for example, if earthquake happen in the Japan, and we will know in the seconds in the India also. So it's very fast.
India is wrong. The Japan, the India is wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The किस country के पहले लगने हैं वो आपको कराया हुआ है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. ये मेरी बहुत common mistake है.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, चलो अब ये हो गया आपका आंसर. How is the news media changing? News media is, becoming electronic. It's becoming fast. It's, news are spread. The speed of spread of news is very fast nowadays.
It's in our fingertips also.
Yes, and you can watch news on the go. You have these news channels on your as apps on your phone. Earlier, could you watch the news on the go? On the go means while you are walking, while you are going somewhere, you can watch even, these apps of these news channels. People have downloaded them. You can watch the
Flipboard.
Yes, yes. So this is about how the news media is changing recently. Okay. Do you think when reporters are reporting the news, they can actually change what happens? What is happening?
Ma'am, sometimes they change, but not always.
Ma'am, for example, now the protest of the farmers, the reporting of the news channels have a change because they don't like to show the exact problem of the farmers.
Okay, so news. Do you think when reporters are reporting the news, they can actually change what is happening? They cannot actually change what is happening, but they can show people something which is not, they can show people, they can lay more focus on what they actually want to show and what they want to hide. How can they change what is happening? That is it, na? They cannot change what is happening. They can show things which are not important, or they may show one-sided,
opinion.
How will you answer it? Anybody?
So मैं एक example दे सकती हूँ. Like, so like in the past, in the Surat, there are incident of the burning the building, and students are jumping from the buildings, and the people are also shooting the video. Instead of shooting the video, they could have saved the children, or they could have tried to maybe they should have tried to call a fire brigade and save them. So it's like that. If it is what is happening,
Yes.
Ma'am,
very nice thing. Yes, they could change. I mean, instead of shooting, they should have put the camera down and try to save the person.
Yes, that's what this question is like.
Yes,
ma'am, can I go next?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Mishika, I can hear you. Would you like to answer this question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, according to me, the main objective of a journalist or a news reporter is to present unbiased news. So, what this question is trying to say is, it is not in the hands of a journalist or a reporter to change anything in the news. Their duty is to just present the factual news in front of their audience. So I am completely against with this statement.
Mishika, but when they present biased news, they are actually changing the opinion of
No, sorry. I mean to say unbiased news. Sorry.
You said unbiased only.
Okay.
I am asking that if they present biased news, aren't they changing the news? I mean, aren't they changing what has to be shown to the people?
Yes, ma'am, because they are not showing the statements of both the parties. They are completely, so they're completely in the favor of only one party. So it would be very difficult for the audience.
The question is with a can. They can. Can they? They can, but if they show only one-sided view, they can change the perception of the people. They can change because media. What are the 5 roles of media? See, I told you 5 points. 5 points for the 5 roles of media. Does anybody remember what are those 5 points?
Information, entertainment, education.
Information and education is 1.
Entertainment.
Yes.
And link between government and public.
Link between the government and public. Shapes people's opinions.
Awareness.
Yes, ma'am.
Awareness is inform and educate. Okay.
Okay.
See, we said inform and educate, entertain, link between government and people, shape the opinion of people, and provide justice at times. When you get any essay on media, remember these 5 points. You can frame the essay. Okay? You will inform and educate, then you go on to expand it. Okay? Entertain, go on to expand it. Link between government and people. Okay?
Yes.
Then shapes people's opinions. Now, media shapes people's opinions. If media will show one-sided view, people will start thinking on the in favor of that view.
Yes.
And last is it helps in providing justice. Then you can give examples in the of the
Arushi Talwar.
Jessica murder case, ma'am.
There are so many. There are so many examples. Okay, you can give some examples, and then you can say that it is these 5 things. Now, when the reporters are reporting the news, they can actually change. If they present biased news, they will shape people's opinions in that side, towards that side. People will, अभी आपको vaccine की news आ रही है. Nirali's got the vaccine. Vaccine
Yes.
आ रही है. Vaccine, so much negative is being publicized about the vaccine.
Yes.
You got it. Did you have any side effect?
No, nothing, ma'am. It's very like even मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कि अभी तो कहाँ पे लगी थी. मतलब बहुत ऐसा फ्लू शॉट लेते हैं ना, उससे भी कम मतलब कुछ
And
हुआ है.
as far as any reaction is concerned, even you can have a reaction with a B complex capsule also. Okay?
Yes, and it's curable.
Yes, yes. So what is there to be so afraid of it, and what is there to give negative publicity to a thing? Okay. Scientists have worked so hard and come out with the vaccine, and people are spreading things about it, and so people are getting skeptical. लगवाना है कि नहीं लगवाना है, नहीं लगवाएंगे तो फिर spread वैसे ही रहेगी ना, लगवाएंगे तो life normal पे आ जाएगी.
Yes. और वो सिर्फ इसकी वजह से जल्दी आ गई क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक था, इसीलिए थोड़ा जल्दी अप्रूवल दे दिया, बस और कुछ नहीं है मतलब.
ठीक है. So anyways, so these are the 5 follow-up questions. Now, if you get these questions in the actual exam, will you be able to answer them?
Yes.
So now, and now you are going to read all the essays related to media. Okay? News.
Yes.
जिसमें news word है. International news, local news. ठीक है? GT book में भी है और academic book में भी past essay हैं. So they are the guesswork now. Okay?
Okay.
The next cue card is describe the first day of school, what it was like. What it was like. ये ऐसे ही उठा के डाल दिया. What it was like and what happened, and then we'll do the follow-ups. Okay. Now, who will speak on this? I want other people to get a chance. Ailish will speak, and let me see.
Hi.
अपने आप आगे आते ही नहीं है बच्चे.
I also want to try, ma'am, because I missed first one.
Okay, okay, yes, Anu बोल रहे हैं ना?
This is Aisha.
Aisha will speak, and who else? Volunteer? Who? I heard someone's voice. Okay. Kamal. Okay. आप अपने नाम से लॉगिन करा करो ना. 96 2E 4214 से नहीं पता चलता कौन है. ठीक है, चलो.
मैंने नाम से मेंशन है.
अच्छा, कमल का तो नाम से ही है ये, मेरे को लगा कोई. ओके. ठीक है, चलो. सबसे पहले आयशा, you will speak on this. Describe your first day of school.
Do I need to talk about my primary school days or any?
First day of school बोला ना, तो I think first day of school ही आएगा. That should be the primary, I think. See, it's an open cue card. Our first day of school bolo, you can see what you can do is, if you don't remember that, you can say, I do not remember my first day of my primary school, but I do remember very well my first day of my secondary school.
High school.
Yeah. So you can just take it to that side and start speaking on that. Okay. But you have to specify that I do not remember anything of the first day of my first day of primary school. Okay?
Ma'am, I can also say, ma'am, we can also say that for instance, for in my case, like if I say I do not remember my first day of my school because I was too young. to remember all those things, but I can easily tell you about my first day of school when I joined as a teacher.
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
नहीं,
वो नहीं चलेगा,
वो प्रोफेशन आ जाएगा.
हाँ
Okay.
ठीक है, हाँ फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल बोलना आपने, ठीक है,
Okay.
हाँ ज्वाइन.
Fine.
ओके चलो शुरू करो.
I don't remember my first day in primary school, but I do remember my secondary classes. When I joined first time my school, my teacher was very afraid to hire me in her section, but I did crack my test and I got selected in B section. That was a wonderful day because I didn't completed my third standard. I was coming from a public school, so it was very difficult to get joined in government school. And when I joined on the first day, I got realized that I became a monitor. I became a monitor of the class, and that was a day when I thought that from this day to till my rest of my life, I will be gaining more and more knowledge. I will not stop myself. And from that day, my teacher gave me so much study materials, and I was a topper of the class. And then my principal also got to me that I was coming from a different background, so it was very difficult for me to study in Hindi language. But yes, I don't know what should I talk about this because I haven't done this before, so it's pretty new for me. But I appreciate if you can help me. What can I add on this?
Okay, आयशा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. You tried. आयशा, इसको आपने थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज थे, आपने पहले बोला नहीं ना कभी, तो आपको पहले इफ यू से आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग ऑफ माय प्राइमरी स्कूल, बट हियर आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट माय फर्स्ट डे ऑफ सेकेंडरी स्कूल. एज आई चेंज माय यू नो my father got, you have to cook up a story, you can say my father got posted and I shifted to from this place to that place. अपने place को नाम बोल दो, and then this school, I joined this school when I was in the 6th or 7th. So I remember the first day of that school. ठीक है, आप उसका फर्स्ट डे बोल दो. पर वैसे अगर आपको अपने प्राइमरी स्कूल का फर्स्ट डे याद है तो आप बोल सकते हो. मेरी एज पे जाके मुझे नहीं याद है, पर अभी आपको तो बहुत ज्यादा साल नहीं हुए हैं सब लोगों को प्राइमरी स्कूल में. मुझे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा याद है फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. ओके, और मेरा तो हाफ ए सेंचुरी से ज्यादा हो गया फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. तो आई थिंक यू कैन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, प्रिपेयर कर लो अब इसको. नाउ दैट यू नो दिस क्यू कार्ड इज देयर, प्रिपेयर इट. उन्होंने कौन सा
What all should be covered in this question?
You can just you can speak a lot on this actually. You can say I was shy, I was afraid of talking, then one girl came and sat next to me, then we started chatting, you know, like that. You can just make up a story, and then we had this PT period, and we had this recess in which we all took out our lunch, and my mother had packed sandwiches for me, and that girl had brought aloo parantha, and so we shared each other's
my lunchbox was very stylish at that time, and everybody just appreciate it. It was really
I was very excited. I had all new notebooks. We were taught about you. I still remember we were taught some we had to sing some nursery rhymes, or we were taught 1 2 3. I still remember I could not make the A properly. And then my girl sitting next to me, now she's my best friend, her name is this, she helped me. Okay, and or you can say I was very good. I had learned all alphabets at home only, so I was doing them very fast, and I was feeling very proud of myself. The other students are still writing, and I've already completed my page. See, you can make up so many things, just make it sound real.
I have a clear picture to talk about. Now I have a clear picture to talk about.
Yes. See, that is the importance of knowing what cue cards are coming. See, most of the students can speak anything on any topic, but if you know these cue cards are important nowadays, you prepare these 60, 70, even if you get something else, by the time you've prepared 60, 70 cue cards, you can speak on almost any cue card that you get.
Yes.
It is not कि आपको रट्टे मारने हैं इन्हीं पे. You just need ideas to speak, and you just sometimes
cue cards also repeat.
Yes, they are every 4 months there are new cue cards added, and those cue cards only come in those 4 months. That is the importance of the file we
So,
come
ma'am,
up
it is
with.
from January to April. The same cue
And
cards
we are
will come,
preparing
right?
this file now. It will be out within this week. Okay.
Okay, fine, fine.
So these are the new ones, and see, it is there. There's nothing in them, and I'll give chance to two more students to speak on this cue card only.
Ma'am, should I
Um,
try?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Reena.
yes. Okay, ma'am. Um, well, when I joined my first school, and I was really excited. That was my first day, and before that day, I could not sleep for whole night as I was very excited. My parents told me many positive things about the school, and they were tried their best to boost my confidence. And on that day, I woke up early in the morning, and my mother prepared toast for me, which are my favorite one. And I went to the school with my parents, and I was laughing. I was talking to my parents about the school, what I would like to do in my class on the first day. But as I entered in the school, I got afraid. My teeth started catering, and my body was shivering. I was really tensed. But when I met my teacher, she spoke with me very politely in a nice manner, and she asked about my personal informations like my name, my parents' name, my hobbies. In this way, she made me normal, and at that then she told me about my roll number, and she gave me instructions about the class and curriculum. And then the other students also entering the class, and I noticed that they were also now was like me. But after some time, when the bell rang and my our first period started, then my teacher started to taught us, and she was so nice and interactive with us that I felt
Good. Oh, okay, good. Reena, you spoke for 2 minutes. It was very nice. There were grammatical errors though in between. She started to taught us. To taught us is wrong. To teach us. Okay.
yeah, two teachers.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. To teach us.
Ma'am, can I go next?
Ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I still remember the first.
पहले ना रीना ने जो बोला उसका थोड़ा रिव्यू कर लें. Let me
Okay,
ask
okay,
other
ma'am.
students if they could catch any mistake.
Ma'am,
entered in, ma'am,
she
said
Huh?
which are tasty.
हाँ,
Which
very
was
very tasty. It was very yummy, you can say. Okay, I was
Yeah.
very excited.
Yes, ma'am.
वो आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला है that the whole night before my first day at school, I was very excited, and I had my new uniform, my new bag, my new pencil box, my new notebooks. So I was very excited to pick all that bag and wear my new uniform and go to school. But when I entered the school gate and my parents waved to me, I felt butterflies in my stomach. You can say that.
Yes.
That is, you felt so nervous. ठीक है? You can say that. But वैसे idiomatic English मैं advise नहीं करती हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा cliched हो जाती है कई बार. But कभी कभार अगर आपको कोई एक आध ये नहीं कि you fill it up with idioms and all, यहाँ पे बोल सकते हो. जैसे उसने बोला I was feeling very nervous, तो वो मेरे को एकदम strike हुआ कि यहाँ बोला जा सकता है. It's not very difficult also. Okay? And in the class and everybody else was also very nervous. आपने थोड़ा बीच में grammatical errors आई थी, but on the whole going 2 minutes speaking nicely, that is very good. Okay, you could even speak longer than that had I not stopped you. So that's very wonderful. That's good. Okay, next, who is speaking this cue card?
Ma'am.
हाँ, Kamal, चलो.
Okay, so I still remember the first day of my school. I didn't wanted to go to school and I was crying like a small baby. Then my mother gave me a Cadbury and she sent me to the school. So my teacher, Miss Ranita ma'am, she was very polite and she treated me like her own baby. She taught me alphabets and tables. Then after some time, I used to part actively in all the class activities. And because of this behavior, my teachers were highly impressed by me. And then I made many new friends, and some of them are still connected with me on social media. That's it.
See, you could not even speak 1 minute. ठीक है कमल, बट ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, आपको आइडिया लग गया वेरी वेल. किसने बोला? मिशिका ने बोला?
Mishika, yes ma'am, it's Mishika here.
Mishika, you speak 1 minute. आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला है. ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स पकड़ी किसी ने?
Yes. Used to take part, मतलब वो नहीं, मतलब took part.
I used to take part ही है, but used to आना ही नहीं है पहले दिन.
हाँ, took part.
I started taking part in all activities.
Yeah.
And so my teachers were very impressed. Used to का मतलब Mishika, used to means not anymore. I used to take part, now I don't take part. That means it. Okay. I used to do that, now I don't do that. Okay. So that is one used to. And then one mistake वो ठीक है. My teacher, she was very polite. इसको correct करो.
My teacher was very polite.
My teacher was very polite.
I'll tell you what, Mishika. My teacher, और जो she है वो किसके लिए है? Teacher के लिए है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
In one sentence, the subject and the referent, जो subject के लिए word होता है, they never come in one sentence. For example, my father, his name is Manmohan Singh. गलत है. My father, his, ये गलत हो गया ना? His भी my father के लिए है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is wrong. And एक था I didn't wanted. ये बोला था शुरू में.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't wanted.
I didn't want.
Want.
दो negatives, दो did past tense verbs नहीं आते इकट्ठे एक sentence में. Did आ गया ना? फिर first.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So Mishika, this is it. And बाकी practice के साथ आपकी development हो जाएगी. You will be able to speak. Okay? So this is the very first day you've spoken. 1 minute बोल दिया, good enough. I'll tell you what happened with me when I went for my IELTS. You know, the examiner gave me a cue card and she said, here is a pen and paper. You can make notes for 1 minute. Okay. And in my overconfidence, the cue card was talk about an elderly person in your family whom you admire. Okay. So my cue card was that. And I said, okay, ma'am, I don't need the pen and paper. I can speak on the elderly person. I can speak on my father for hours. And you know, my hours were finished in just 1 minute. Okay, so this is what practice, this is where I say now that practice is needed. Even the very best of students need practice to speak 2 minutes.
Yes.
2 minutes are the lengthiest 2 minutes, longest 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
And 1 hour of the writing exam in your writing, IELTS writing, that is the, you know, that passes away in just 15 minutes.
Yes, exactly. 1 hour पता भी नहीं चलता है कि हो गया है.
और ये 2 मिनट खत्म होने को ही नहीं आते. So learning क्या हुआ? You will know how to make up stories and go on and on about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next follow-up. What do you think about the child going to school by himself or the parent picking up?
What do you think about it?
ये questions मेरे को ऐसे ही मिले हैं, student ने share करे हैं. So maybe there's some mistake. So what do you think about the child? Should the children go to school by themselves or should the parents drop them and pick them up? Okay, this I'm changing the question. Should the children go to school by themselves or should the parents pick them up and drop them?
It's depend on the age of children.
निराली पहले it's depend बोल दिया ना तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
It depends.
Correct करो.
It depends on.
It depends पता भी है. Okay, chalo.
It depends on age of children. Like if the children are very small and like the age of between 2 to 5 years, so parents should picking up or take them to the school because it's unsafe for them, and they do not know the road sense and the traffic. So parents or parents can hire a rickshaw or a van for the children. And if the children are enough mature to go by their own, so they can go to school by their own with the help of a vehicle or cycle or by walking.
Okay. Is the child independent or dependent? Okay. On how the parent cultivates the child's independence. Okay. अब ये question गलत है इसको. What is the पहला question भी मैं change कर देती हूँ. Should the children go to school by themselves? दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी ठीक करो. क्या हो सकता है क्वेश्चन?
मैम, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ पेरेंट्स इन द चिल्ड्रंस फ्रीडम?
ये ऐसे है. ये देख लो. अब ये सारे ऐसे आपको गेस वर्क निकाल के दे रही हूँ.
So children should be independent or dependent, or parents should make them independent or dependent.
So also, what is the
Should
role
parents
of the parent?
children taught their child how to be independent?
हाँ, ये हो सकता है.
What is the role of parents in making a child more child more independent or dependent?
What is the role of parents?
Yes.
Okay, ये ठीक है question. And what is the impact of excessive interference with the child?
I mean the children life.
What is the impact of excessive interference
with the children in the children's life
on the children?
Okay.
ठीक है, बस इतना ही रख लेते हैं. आपको पता चल गया ना? क्वेश्चन एग्जैक्टली ये वर्ड नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर भी होगा, आपको पता चल जाएगा.
Yes.
This is what you have to speak. Okay. So दो बार आ गया. Okay. So should the children go to school by themselves का आंसर हो चुका है. What is the role of parents in making the child independent? Okay, now there are essays in both GT books and academic books. Essay है nowadays children are given too much freedom. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, this essay is a guesswork. Okay, and some people say children should be given freedom. Other people say parents should decide what the children should do. The parents should decide the free time activities. Some people say children should decide on their own. All such essays are guesswork. You have to go through the complete list of essays children वाले, और यहाँ dependence, independence, freedom ये वाले essays आए. और एक essay है, some people say parents should control the behavior of children from a very early age, and others say that children should be too much control on the children snubs their personality. Discuss both views and give your opinion. This essay is also there. This is also guesswork. Do all these essays. Okay.
Ma'am, where will we get the book? From where will we get the book?
Book is there in the market. Where are you based?
I am in Jamshedpur. I am from Jamshedpur, ma'am.
हाँ, तो book is available. Otherwise, you can order it. You just personal message me on WhatsApp, and you can order it, and it'll be delivered, right?
Okay, ma'am.
GT की different है, academic की different है. ठीक है? All the past essays are there, and now you come to know that ये वाले essays जो इनके साथ related है वो guesswork है, उनको कर लेना. और आपको शायद मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं हो, आपको फिर पढ़ते पढ़ते ही देख ले, अच्छा ये वाले क्यू कार्ड थे, ये वाले फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन था, तो ऐसे को अच्छे से देख लेना.
मैम,
यस
मैम, इस बार 9th को किस किस का एग्जाम है?
एक मिनट मेरा फोन है. हाँ जी दीपक.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
थैंक यू, सेम टू यू. हाँ जी.
अच्छा, आपकी वो क्वेरी थी, उसमें सीधी आंसर में भी कैंडिडेट कैन राइट द थिंग्स विद कैपिटल लेटर.
Okay, okay. Thank you for. Okay, okay. ओके सो ये उसका था. सुन गया आपको, मैंने म्यूट नहीं करा अपने आप को. छयांक, आपकी क्वेरी आंसर हुई है अभी. आईडीपी से फोन था. ओके,
जी मैम.
सुन गया आपको.
Ma'am, the voice was not very clear. Like,
but you
what
can
was the
write all in capitals. Even in the computer-based test, all uppercase is allowed in the essay.
In reading also?
Yes, reading, listening तो uppercase में करना है आंसर. और even writing में uppercase allowed है.
अच्छा.
तो आपके कैपिटलाइजेशन एरर का स्कोप 0 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
हाँ. और
हैंडराइटिंग तो खैर कंप्यूटर बेस्ड में क्या मैटर करनी है.
Yes.
Then do we get a pen and paper for noting down something?
अभी यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई स्टूडेंट होगा बीच में ग्रुप में. एनीबॉडी टेकन द कंप्यूटर बेस्ड आप में से?
कंप्यूटर में होता है, मतलब पेन और पेपर. मैंने दिया नहीं है, लेकिन मेरी फ्रेंड ने दिया था, तो उसने बोला था कि हर में मतलब लिसनिंग में भी देते हैं, रीडिंग में भी देते हैं और राइटिंग में भी देते हैं. सब में पेन और पेपर बाजू में ही होता है.
ठीक है छयांक, आंसर्ड.
Okay. Got it,
you
yes.
You have any query, put it up in the group. Somebody or the other will reply.
Sure. Okay.
That's very nice, and students do reply each other. They do.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
So what is the role of parents in making the child independent? You can say parents have a big role in making the child independent. If parents are too dominating and decide everything for their children, the child does not become independent and will depend on the parents for every small decision. So you can say when the children are very young, parents can give them small things to decide on their own, like what to wear for the day, and things like that. And then children start taking decisions on their own, right? It is definitely in the parents' upbringing, right? You can say like that. Anybody else who would like to add to this answer? What is the role of parents in making a child independent?
Like if children get confused at some point, so they should guide the they should completely guide, but they should not have completely spoon feed the children like everything, but they should guide the children.
Yes. What is the impact of excessive interference on the children? What is the impact of excessive interference, or it may be excessive control on the children? What is the impact of excessive interference? Pehle karo. What is the impact of excessive interference? Who will like to answer?
Children became rebel, ma'am.
Children become rebels. They become rebels. Okay? If parents start nagging children in every small thing they do, children will then become rebels. They'll say, okay, do what you want. I'll do this. This is it. Okay, so children become rebellions. They start rebelling against their parents, and they don't listen to their parents anymore. They stop obeying their parents. Okay, anything else?
Ma'am, they disobedient.
They hide. They start hiding things. They can fall into wrong company. Okay.
Decision making ability.
What?
Ma'am, decision-making ability of children will reduce.
Decision-making ability of children will reduce, yes.
Yes.
They'll become more dependent. Their personality will be snubbed. They will not bloom properly. Okay? Like that you can say. That is the impact of excessive interference. Excessive interference की दो points हैं उस essay में, जिसमें है कि अगर children controlled too much, उनमें 2 points मैंने डाले हुए हैं. One is that the children become rebels. They may start behaving abnormally. Then second is that their personality will be snubbed and they may become introverts.
Introverts.
Okay?
Introverts, yes.
They may become introverts.
They will come in depression.
They can come in depression. Yes. They start behaving abnormally. They come in depression. They become introverts. Okay. Now the third cue card today that we are going to discuss.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell me how to pronounce rebel.
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 They become rebels. Okay.
Rebel. Okay.
Describe an interesting conversation you had. Who you had it with? Who did you have it with? Who you had it with? Who you had it with? Where did you have it? What was the conversation? Why did you have it? Okay. So, this is the cue card. Sana, you would like to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है सना, वेरी गुड. आपने बोलना है अभी, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Just 1 second. Let me set the timer. Okay.
Okay.
You may start.
Okay. As I'm an extrovert personality, I always like to blabber. I have plethora of reminiscence of past experience. However, here I would like to talk about one such conversation which I find very interesting. I had it with my cousin Uzma. It was a time when we both got engaged. After an engagement, when I met Uzma, we recalled our meeting with our fiancé and talked lots. There is so much disturbance, ma'am.
Should I mute all? Then you can unmute and start again. Okay? You can start it again. Sana, can you just pause after every sentence you say so that I can tell you a grammatical error?
Okay.
Speak a bit slow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you'll start again, okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. As I'm extrovert personality, I always like to blabber among my friends.
Okay. So as I am extrovert, इसमें क्या होना चाहिए? क्या correct है? ये गलत है थोड़ा.
I'm an extrovert.
And भी तो आएगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
As I am an extrovert personality.
Yes, ma'am. I am an extrovert personality.
Blabber
मतलब वो बकबक करते हो जाते हैं ऐसा.
नहीं.
No.
आप ऐसी vocabulary मत लाना. Sana, I'm telling you, my students who got 8.5 and 9 also, 1 or 2 of them have got 9 also. They have never used such vocabulary.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't force in words. Don't force in words like plethora and blabber and things like that. Speak very naturally and normally what you would like what you would like to speak. You've heard other students speak today.
Yes, ma'am.
बिल्कुल बोलने में vocabulary forced in नहीं लग रही थी. आपकी forced in लग रही थी कि ये word बोलना है आपने.
Mama, I'm trying hard to learn so many new vocabularies every day.
No. Stop learning about all those hard. Don't do that hard work. Okay. Focus on normal, simple English. You will do better.
Okay,
much better. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Speaking. Don't focus on forcing in words. Your words were being forced in. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Speak simple. Start again.
Okay. As I am an extrovert personality, I always like to talk so many things about lots of things with my friends. Whenever I get free time, I like to talk about my past experience also. However, here I would like to talk about one such experience of my past, which I find is very interesting. I had it with my cousin sister Uzma. It was a time when we both of us got engaged, and when I went to her home, I and Uzma talked a lot about our engagement ceremony and also the first meeting with our fiancé. We talked a lot about their likes and dislikes, and after that, I recall that my family members were planning to take marriage dates. So the conversation became more interesting. We started discussing about the shopping of our marriage, and I love to talk about the things which I was supposed to buy, and this much, ma'am.
Okay, good. See, when you stopped using words, you could speak much better. Okay? You really do not need vocabulary here. I'm telling you. Just speak
Daily,
naturally.
I'm trying to use more tough vocabularies to मेरे conversation में लाने की कोशिश करती हूँ.
Stop trying that. Okay, that will mar the fluency of your speech. Okay, you don't need to put in vocabulary. See, the other students spoke very naturally, Chayank and even
Yes, ma'am, I have seen.
Rali, and they spoke so naturally. That is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is needed. Okay.
I think so. What helped me, even I used to make this mistake, and you always used to point it out in my essays.
Yes.
So then I came across the table that was there, like for 9 bands, what is needed in cohesion and everything, and even your advice. So everyone should go through that table and use less of very big words, which are very eye catchy.
Yes.
And break
See,
the fluency.
I shared with you the connectors video, right?
Yes, in groups as
yes,
lecture.
yes.
Yeah.
And he really is into it, and himself he got 8.5 band, and twice, okay, and third time he is planning computer based because वो हमने personally नहीं दिया हुआ, तो वो कह रहा था कि एक बार वो भी दे देता हूँ कि मेरे को first hand experience हो जाएगा उसका, तो वो
excuse me, sir.
हाँ?
Sir, can you share that video and the table in the group again, because I'm new in the group?
Yes, connectors वाला वीडियो है ना, connectors वाला छयांक उसी की बात कर रहे हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो
even in your books it is there in the starting, like how to approach
पर कोई बात नहीं, मैं कनेक्टर्स वाला वीडियो शेयर करूंगी, और मैं ना उसकी रीडिंग के भी टिप्स के 3-4 वीडियो है, मैं आज सभी ग्रुप वो बहुत अच्छे हैं। मेरे को बच्चों ने ये बोला है उसका ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन, यस नो नॉट गिवन वाला वीडियो, कि मैम
यस मैम
गलत नहीं होता उसके बाद।
मेरा हाईएस्ट वही गलत होता है, बाकी मेरे 32 या 33 आते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन की वजह से मतलब
वाला वीडियो देखना, उसने उसकी वो एनालिसिस, डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस करके समझाया हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत अच्छे से। ओके
यस मैम, प्लीज वो भेज देना। हाँ
तो वो और वो कल पता है क्या कर रहा था, कल एक रीडिंग तैयार कर रहा था, मुझे आके कहता है, मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछता है, ये क्वेश्चन, अच्छा आप इसकी डिफिकल्टी रेटिंग कैसे करोगे? तो आई सेड ये आंसर के हिसाब से ये तो टफ है, तो कहता मैं 3 डिफिकल्टी रेटिंग्स एक रीडिंग में से निकाल रहा हूँ, इजी, मीडियम, टफ। ओके, और फिर मैंने बच्चों को ये समझाना है कि टफ वाले 8-10 क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उस पर सिर खपाओगे तो आपके 7 बैंड नहीं आएंगे, उनको छोड़ना ओके 7 के लिए यू नीड 30 out of 40 करेक्ट एकेडमिक स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट द जनरल स्टूडेंट, जनरल वालों को 30। बट यू नो जो टफ वाली रेटिंग है वो हर पेपर में टफ वाले सिर्फ 5-6 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, और उन पे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, उन पे 5-5 मिनट लगा देते हैं, और बाकी जो इजी वाले होते हैं उनको ढूंढने का टाइम नहीं बचता। दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ब्लंडर स्टूडेंट्स डू। टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीखना मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है। ओके तो वो मैं सारे उसके रीडिंग के वीडियोस भी शेयर करूंगी, दे आर आल्सो वेरी नाइस, दे विल ऑल टीच यू। ओके
यस मैम।
और चाहे वो एकेडमिक बुक से है, मेथड ऑफ डूइंग दैट इज द सेम फॉर जीटी स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो, लर्निंग उसमें से भी बहुत अच्छी होएगी सबको। ठीक है, आज मुझे बस एक रिमाइंडर दे देना कि वो वीडियोस ढूंढ के शेयर करने हैं, वेरी फॉरगेटफुल नाउ।
मैं दे दूंगी मैम।
ठीक है, तो रिमाइंडर दे देना बस, मैसेज व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज हो ना, तो मैं एक एक करके उनको देखती जाती हूँ और उसी टाइम उनका कुछ ना कुछ सोल्यूशन करती जाती हूँ जब मेरे को टाइम मिलता है, व्हेन आई सिट ऑन इट। ओके
मैम, आई हैव अ क्वेरी।
यस,
yeah, are you going to upload this video as well?
yes of course, yeah, ये मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ ना, ये डाल दूंगी मैं। ओके, आई विल बी रिकॉर्डिंग दैट। या ओके, चलो, इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन। एक जने ने बोला, अभी 1-2 जने और बोलेंगे। अब मेरे को नए बच्चे चाहिए।
I will try this.
Gurpinder, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Okay.
May I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Man is social animal, and conversations are part of life. And it helps us to know about our emotions and feelings. I had many talks in my entire life. Some were on phone and some were face to face. Honestly speaking, I just really enjoy the company of old people, as they have vast of knowledge and the experience, and their talks are always interesting. So here I would like to talk about interesting conversation that I had with an old person. Actually, she was a lady. About a year ago, I was traveling to Jaipur by bus, and this old lady came and boarded the same bus, and she also want to go to Jaipur. and the journey was about 6 hours. We had the same destination as well. So I decided to initiate the talk. Actually, I'm getting nervous.
Okay, Gurpinder, it was a good try. अच्छा, मैं before I forget, मेरे को ना वो बतानी है कुछ गलतियां. एक मिशिका आपने बोला था according to me, बोला था, याद है आपको? मिशिका,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
according
ma'am.
to me wrong English है. According to हमेशा third person होता है भाई, ये बहुत बच्चे गलती करते हैं. अब according to me कभी नहीं बोलते, ठीक है? In my opinion या I believe that.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये गलत है. दूसरा, cousin sister बोला था सना.
Yes, ma'am.
कजिन के साथ ना सिस्टर लगता है ना ब्रदर, ये इंडियन इंग्लिश है, हम लोग लगाते हैं. ओके, शी इज माय कजिन, ही इज माय कजिन, उससे पता चलता है ब्रदर है कि सिस्टर है. ओके
ओके, यस मैम.
कभी भी सिस्टर या ब्रदर नहीं लगाते कजिन के साथ. और एक ना फयांसी की प्रोनाउंसिएशन फयांसी है, फयांस नहीं है, क्योंकि वो देखो जो लड़कियों का जो फयांस है, फयांस उसमें ई सिंगल एंड में, फयांसी है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन फयांसी है. ओके, और जो बॉयज की फयांसी है उसमें डबल ई एंड में, पर प्रोनाउंसिएशन वही है. ओके, प्रोनाउंसिएशन वही है. ई एंड में ई आता है, फयांस नहीं है, बिकॉज वो सिंगल ई है ना, तो उसको आप इसलिए वैसे प्रोनाउंस कर रहे थे, राइट?
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो
मैम वो अभी आपने जो अकॉर्डिंग टू बोला कि वो थर्ड पर्सन होता है, वो नहीं पता चला.
वो जैसे अकॉर्डिंग टू महात्मा गांधी, अकॉर्डिंग टू माय टीचर, अकॉर्डिंग टू सो एंड सो.
ओके, so when we are talking about third person, we should use according to her or him.
हाँ, बट अपने लिए नहीं कभी भी यूज करते, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी नहीं बोलते.
Okay, so when we are talking about ourselves, we should say in my opinion.
हाँ, yeah, I believe that.
I believe that. Okay, yes ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
According to me गलत है, ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
और ये कजिन सिस्टर वाला मेरे को बताना था, ये गलती थी. और एक आपने बोला मैन इज सोशल एनिमल, गुरपिंदर ने बोला मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल, ठीक है? ये आपने ये सारी गलतियां थोड़ी सी देख लेना. अच्छा, एक मैं आपको बताऊं, आप बिल्कुल सिंपल यूज करो. देखो ये इंटरेस्टिंग कन्वर्सेशन यू हैड. If I were in your place, I would say I have had many interesting conversations in my life. I have had. अब मैं have भी लगा रही हूँ, had भी लगा रही हूँ, ठीक है? I have had. आप मूवी आ जाए, interesting movie you have seen. I have seen many interesting movies in my life. A book you have read. A book you read. I have read many books in my life. तो first sentence आप ना present perfect के correct use से शुरू कर दो, आपके वहीं पे ही 7 की तरफ बढ़ रहा है क्यू कार्ड. ओके
मैम.
हाँ
मैम, एक चीज आपने बताई थी कि अगर हम पास्ट में ना टाइम बता देते हैं तो शायद हैज हैव नहीं लगता, कुछ ऐसी बात थी मैम. वो प्लीज बता दो.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और सिंपल पास्ट का एक ही डिफरेंस है, मैं आपको कराती हूँ अभी. देखो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में भी आपने पास्ट में ही कोई काम करा है और सिंपल पास्ट में भी आपने पास्ट में ही कोई काम करा है, ठीक है? ये समझ आ रहा है आपको? देखो, हम बोलते हैं आई हैव रेड द बुक एंड आई रेड द बुक, दोनों में फर्क है. एक में मैंने हैव लगाया, दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. एक में मैंने हैव नहीं लगाया, आई सिंपली सेड आई रेड द बुक, ठीक है? जो पहले वाला है उसमें रेड थर्ड फॉर्म है, रीड रेड रेड थर्ड फॉर्म है ना, READ वाला, तो वो हैव के साथ हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म आता है, आई हैव रेड द बुक. जब मैं टाइम स्पेसिफाई करती हूँ ना, तब मेरे को उसके साथ फिर हैव नहीं लगना. जैसे आई हैव रेड द बुक हो सकता है मैंने कल पढ़ी है, पिछले साल पढ़ी है, 10 साल पहले पढ़ी है, या 40 साल पहले पढ़ी है. आई हैव रेड द बुक करेक्ट है, मैं टाइम नहीं बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? अगर मैं बोलती हूँ आई रेड द बुक, तो मुझे टाइम साथ में लगाना है या इम्प्लाई करना है. आई रेड द बुक व्हेन आई वाज इन 10th. आई रेड द बुक लास्ट वीक, तो फिर वहां हैव नहीं आएगा. अगर आप कहते हो आई हैव रेड द बुक लास्ट ईयर, तो अभी आप गलत बोल रहे हो. हैव वाले में टाइम नहीं स्पेसिफाई करना. ये आपको सबको समझ आ गया पॉइंट? सिंपल प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड सिंपल पास्ट.
मैम
Yes,
एक मैम मेरा सेंटेंस देखना मैम. आई हैव वन मैनी प्राइजेस इन माय स्कूल एंड कॉलेज डेज, तो ये गलत हो गया मैम?
I have won many prizes in my school days. I won many prizes in my school days. I have won many prizes in my school and college days में भी चलता है, because आप स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हो ना एग्जैक्टली
कि कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में.
I have won many prizes in my life. ऐसे बोलो, ठीक है। आई हैव सीन मेनी मूवीज इन माई लाइफ में भी आप स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हो। आई वन मेनी प्राइजेस व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, वो भी करेक्ट है बिकॉज आप स्कूल को स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हो कि उन दिनों में, तो भी करेक्ट। उसी जगह कई बार दोनों आर मेकिंग सेंस। ओके,
लेकिन इसमें फिर हैव होना चाहिए या हैड होना चाहिए? क्योंकि मान लो सब मैंने तो स्कूल बड़े टाइम पहले छोड़ा हुआ है, तो वहां पे हैव लगेगा या हैड? मैम
हैव ही आएगा, क्योंकि अभी तक उसका इफेक्ट है ना, बीच में आप किसी पास्ट टाइम से पहले नहीं। देखो हैड कहाँ आना है, आई हैड फिनिश्ड माई ब्रेकफास्ट व्हेन यू केम, मतलब तुम आए थे, वो भी पास्ट का है कुछ, और
परफेक्ट
मैंने फिनिश कर लिया था, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट है।
ओके मैम।
पास्ट के किसी टाइम से पहले जो मैं टाइम नहीं स्पेसिफाई कर रही हूँ, तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट है। समझ आ गया?
यस।
आई हैड रेड द बुक बिफोर starting university studies.
Yes.
Before going to college, I had read that book before going to college. तो मैंने बिफोर गोइंग टू कॉलेज गई थी, उससे पहले मैंने टाइम नहीं स्पेसिफाई करा कब करिए, फिर पास्ट परफेक्ट आएगा। ठीक है
मैम, यू सेड you had read that book, so is it like okay to use had and the verb third form along with?
पास्ट परफेक्ट है ना। I had read the book when he came, जब वो आया, उससे पहले मैं बुक खत्म कर चुकी थी। ठीक है, पर मैंने कब खत्म करी थी? 2 घंटे पहले, 4, उसके आने से। कोई एक पास्ट के टाइम से पहले का टाइम है जो मैं स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट आ जाएगा। प्रेजेंट के टाइम से,
because this always confuse me,
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट आ जाएगा।
whenever we use I did not use this, it means, or we are talking about I did not used this.
नहीं, did
you understood what I need?
दो past tense verbs नहीं आते समीक्षा।
Then how we are using the verb third form with okay,
have or had के साथ
with past perfect we are using always
okay, उसके साथ तो हमेशा ही
I'm
थर्ड
really
फॉर्म
confused.
उसके साथ समीक्षा हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म आना है। ठीक है,
okay ma'am, okay.
I had never used the glitter pens till you gave me one as a gift.
Used the glitter pens.
आपने मुझे गिफ्ट में दिया था साल पहले, उससे पहले मैंने कभी नहीं यूज करा था। ठीक है, तो पास्ट के किसी टाइम से पहले कुछ हुआ है और उसका टाइम नहीं है, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट हो जाता है। पर ये आपको ना आइल्स जो मैप आता है ना, उसमें बहुत हेल्प करता है ये मैप करवाती हूँ। पास्ट का मैप है और प्रेजेंट का मैप है, और उस मतलब कोई 2 पास्ट के मैप्स हैं, तो पहला पास्ट वाला मैप जो है उसको सिंपल पास्ट में लिखो, और सेकंड वाले जो जब बताना है तो उसमें सारा पास्ट परफेक्ट में लिखो। बिकॉज पास्ट के टाइम मतलब अगर सपोजिंग 1990 का है और दूसरा मैप 2010 का है, तो आप बताओगे, जो दूसरा मैप डिस्क्राइब करोगे कि 1990 से लेके 2010 तक ये कुछ हो चुका था, मेनी चेंजेस हैड टेकन प्लेस। अब कब हुई है, 91 में हुई है कि 2009 में हुई है, नहीं स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हो ना, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट है। ठीक है
Ma'am, I would like to talk about that cue card. May I?
You would like to speak?
Yes, ma'am. I would
मुझे
like
सुना नहीं, ये बोलो। Interesting conversation.
I would like to try.
Yeah.
हाँ बोलो।
It's okay. He can go first. It's okay.
नहीं, आप बोलो पहले, उनको भी चांस मिल जाएगा, सबको मिल जाएगा चांस, कोई ऐसा नहीं। इंटरेस्टिंग है, आप सब एंजॉय कर रहे हो ना, मैं भी एंजॉय कर रही हूँ।
Yes.
कोई स्टूडेंट कम नहीं हुआ, जितनों ने स्टार्ट करा था उतने ही है अब तक। सो दिस इज वेरी पॉजिटिव। 1.5 घंटा हो चुका है हमें ब्लैबर करते हुए।
ये बहुत अच्छी क्लास होती है, पता है, सबके आइडियाज मिक्स होते हैं और अच्छा लगता है।
मेरे को मेरी कजिन ने कल परसों अटेंड करी ना क्लास, अनुपम ने।
हाँ,
तो वो मुझे कह रही थी कि मेरे को ना मजा आ रहा था, आई वाज एंजॉयिंग इट। आपकी 1.5 घंटे की क्लास थी और 1.5 घंटे में सभी बंधे हुए थे साथ में। मैं कहा ये तो है, बिकॉज, और मुझे पता है क्या कह रही थी, कहती मुझे लग रहा था आप भी बड़ा एंजॉय कर रहे हो। मैं कहा हाँ, मैं तो एंजॉय करती हूँ बच्चों के साथ, तभी तो मैंने कहा। हाँ
मैं मुझे एक पूछना है बात। हेलो,
I'm the only person, that's why everyone enjoys it.
I am a what
Yes.
person?
Jolly person.
Yeah. चलो चलो अब शुरू करो. बोलो. Who is starting?
May I, ma'am? May I?
हाँ,
May I?
Yes, Samiksha.
Okay. Interesting about the interesting conversation. I had a very interesting conversation with my cousin. It was in 2007. I just at that time I have just completed my 10th standard, and I was about to jump into the 11th. So there was a need of opting new subjects. For example, here in India, we used to opt subjects like medical, non-medical, or commerce or arts. So I need an explanation on all of them. My cousin was residing in Pathankot. I had to go to Pathankot at that time to ask about what should I opt for my future. And it was very interesting because she explained all of them, although she was in medical line, but she told me that I should accept only which I'm interested in. So she helped me in that way. Uh, and about that conversation, it was about a 4 or 5 hour conversation, and I really enjoyed it because I get to know about all the subjects from in the depth, and it was very important for me because at that base I could only imagine my whole future. Is it the time over? No.
There's still 25 seconds to go. See, I told you these are the longest.
And with
they don't seem to finish.
And with that conversation only. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She taught me about. She told me about every subject. Like I was interested in non-medical, and she has also opted for chemistry and physics. So she told me about the vast syllabus of chemistry and physics. Although I had to learn about the math.
समीक्षा हो गए. अब बताओ, anybody who caught any mistakes?
Ma'am, she said she get to know. She got to know.
She got to know. Yes. Okay. Okay. I have just completed. At that time, आप अपने cousin को मिलने गए. At that time, I have just completed my senior secondary. ये बोला था ना आपने?
10th.
अच्छा देखो, आप अपने cousin को मिलने गए, आपने past time की बात करी, और उससे पहले आपने just complete करा था, तो have just आएगा कि had just completed? बताओ.
Had just.
I told you I'm very bad in.
तो मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ ना. आप देखो, ये आपने पास्ट की बात करी, आप अपने कजिन को मिलने गए, उससे पहले आपने बोला कि आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड माय सीनियर सेकेंडरी, तो हैड जस्ट आएगा ना. पास्ट के टाइम से पहले कोई टाइम है और एग्जैक्ट नहीं बता रहे हो, तो आई हैड जस्ट कंप्लीटेड, हैड आएगा. ठीक है. अच्छा, आई नीड एन एक्सप्लेनेशन आपने बोला था ऑन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स. आई नीडेड आना था. ठीक है. फिर आपने बोला आई वांटेड टू आस्क व्हाट शुड आई ऑप्ट फॉर, व्हाट आई शुड ऑप्ट फॉर. ओके, नॉट शुड आई ऑप्ट फॉर, व्हाट आई शुड ऑप्ट फॉर. बस यही थी. 3-4. बेटा बहुत अच्छा बोला है. आपके 30 सेकेंड्स कम गए हैं, वो प्रैक्टिस से आपके हो जाएंगे. सी व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. अभी हमारे ग्रुप में कई बच्चे हैं जो उनको थोड़ा टाइम हो गया, उनसे पूछो. पहले दिन 30 सेकेंड्स 35 सेकंड्स पे क्यू कार्ड खत्म हो जाता था. अब 2-2 मिनट पे हमें रोकना पड़ता है कि बस करो, हो गए 2 मिनट. So they can speak. It is all about practice. It's all about practice. Okay.
Ma'am,
then go on to speak.
Ma'am, I would like to ask something.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is one thing I wanted to tell you about me.
Yes.
That I'm a sociable person and I'm a very talkative person, but after seeing all these cue cards and questions, I'm totally blank right now. So this is the first time I have joined online coaching, and I'm feeling that there is something which is lacking and I have to cover, I have to complete. So I think, from now I can make sure that yes, I will be good on this. And thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. Now, interesting conversation. There's one more student who wanted to speak on this.
Yes, ma'am. Elish.
Chalo, start.
Okay.
Well, I have had many conversations in my life. Here, I would like to talk about an interesting conversation which I had. Actually, that conversation was very interesting for me. Actually, a couple of months ago, I had spare time. So instead of watching my favorite show, I decided to visit Wilson Hill. This place not only famous in my area, but also every nook and corner of the world. So that time I invited my kith and kin at my home, and we started journey by public transportation. During the traveling, I sat behind the window, and one strange person told me to open that window. So I opened it, and conversation was started. During the first that conversation, he told me that politicians play an important role in our society because a politician done many things in our society by improving education facility and medical facilities. So I impressed a lot that conversation, and I also judge my opinion regarding politician like Arvind Kejriwal. He is the best politician in India, and he recently done many things in education facilities in Delhi, and people admire him. And recently he won uh, uh, politics, and he become a chief minister in Delhi. So I learned many things
Election.
from him, and I felt happy by attending this conversation. And he told me by setting some example for renowned politicians in India, like Narendra Modi. He also the best politician in India.
Okay. Okay, 2 minutes, Elish.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Baki examiners, bhai, any mistakes that he made?
मैम आई ओपन द विंडो बोला, आई ओपन द विंडो बोला था, पर आना था आई ओपन द विंडो, और उन्होंने बोला था ड्यूरिंग ट्रैवलिंग, तो आना था ड्यूरिंग द ट्रैवलिंग, एंड आई जस्ट माय ओपिनियन, एंड इन्होंने बोला था एजुकेशन फैसिलिटीज, केजरीवाल का एग्जांपल लेके, तो एजुकेशन फील्ड है.
Oh, चलो.
Ma'am, also I think left the last one question. Why did you have it?
And ma'am, one point which, if I'm not wrong, he mentioned that the discussion that discussion started goes on. It would be, I guess, went on.
Discussion went on.
Went on.
Yes.
Okay.
काफी गलतियां
Yes.
थी, छोटी 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 छोटी.
और फिर
Okay,
वो
okay,
जो इलेक्शन होता है, वो विन करते हैं, मतलब पॉलिटिक्स विन नहीं करते, मतलब
विन बोला है.
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
और फिर आई फेल्ट हैप्पी, आई फील हैप्पी नहीं, आई फेल्ट हैप्पी.
हाँ, felt happy
हाँ.
आएगा, felt happy.
Yes.
ठीक है इलिश, छोटी छोटी
Okay.
गलतियां थी, but see you went on 2 minutes. आपने बोला कि Wilson Hill is famous all over the world, every
Okay.
nook and corner of the world. ये क्या जगह है, कौन सी है?
ये नियर बाय है वलसाड़ में.
अच्छा,
मैंने भी नहीं देखे.
माउंटेन है, माउंटेन.
अच्छा, Wilson Hill. Okay, it's a mountain.
No, it is a hill.
It's a hill. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, it is a tabletop hill. It is a it has a tabletop, and it is like growing importance these days for like its just trail
Plateau, you want
and
to say? Tabletop.
Yes, part of the plateau.
Okay,
Yeah.
part of the plateau. Okay.
We also say that our conversation gets started.
हाँ, अच्छा, आप इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन में और आइडियाज क्या दे सकते हो? आप इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन में और आइडियाज ये दे सकते हो कि जैसे मैं गई, जैसे वो जयपुर वाली जर्नी का बोलो, साथ में लेडी केम एंड सैट विद मी, एंड आई जस्ट ओपन द कॉन्वर्सेशन बाय सेइंग दैट इट वाज वेरी हॉट दैट डे, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग, एंड देन she was very good at cooking. She was carrying some pickles with her. She gave me all the recipes of the pickles. It was very interesting. I noted down all the recipes in my phone notes. And then because I'm very fond of cooking, so I learned a lot from her. तो आप कुछ भी, किसी भी चीज को इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हो. Okay?
Yes.
आपको जरूरी थोड़ी है कोई इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए कोई बड़ी अच्छे से टॉपिक की कॉन्वर्सेशन चाहिए. You can find anything interesting. Okay, so you just go on and you can speak on anything. कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकते हो interesting conversation का, ठीक है? तो कोई अपना जैसे आप गए, किसी ने कोई बुक पढ़ी है, you started talking about general things, and then you started talking about politics, and you started talking about the politicians of today, what they are doing, and you know, that was interesting. It's a topic which touches you, or you can even have a conversation about the temples of the south. Okay, so you can have any conversation and make it interesting, right? So I'm ending the meeting. अच्छा, ये follow ups कर लो थोड़े से, 2 हैं. Okay.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we speak more than 2 minutes and the examiner has to stop us, that will it affect us negatively in any way?
No. You will never have to speak more than 2 minutes. उनको ना 22-23 बच्चे भुगताने हैं एक दिन में examiners को. Okay. उन्होंने आपको 2 मिनट से ज्यादा तो बिल्कुल नहीं बुलाना. तभी मैं कह रही हूँ क्यूज कवर कर दिया करो पहले 30-40 seconds में, so that you know they will stop you at 1.5 minutes only.
Okay.
And it is not negative if they stop you. Means they are satisfied. Now they are satisfied enough to give you the band score. They don't need to listen more. Okay.
Yes.
So it is not at all negative if they stop you.
Is it like the examiner who is there is not the one who will be judging me for my bands?
No,
because
he will be judging you. He will be judging you. Only if you go for a reval, that recording goes to the other people.
Okay.
मैम जो पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो हम फर्स्ट 30 सेकेंड्स टू 1 मिनट के अंदर भी कवर कर दे एक साथ में तो भी चलेगा?
बिल्कुल करना है, ऐसे ही करना है. That is what I suggest.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले फर्स्ट पॉइंट पे 2-3 लाइंस बोलो, फिर सेकंड पॉइंट पे 2-3 लाइंस बोलो.
फर्स्ट सेकंड पे 2-3 लाइंस बोलोगे, सेकंड पे तब भी आपका 30-40 सेकंड्स में खत्म हो जाएगा. Consider them short questions. That is what I say. Otherwise the examiner keeps pointing out. Sometimes they help you by saying one is left because the recording is going, not the video is going. So they give you, you know, signals that you have to speak on the last part yet, and you know they'll give you because they want you to finish it up. Okay, so it's better you finish it up before that.
Yes.
Okay, what do young people have conversation about?
Young people mostly have conversation about the new technological gadgets, and someone are more interested in sports also.
Yes. Okay, ये लिखा हुआ है किसी ने answer. Do people have conversation more or less than they did in the past?
Yes, most of the people have more conversation nowadays rather than the past because now technology get advanced and they have mobile phones. Mostly they make video calls to their dear and loved ones and share their joys and sorrows more nowadays rather than the past.
Okay, but you can also answer it that they have less conversation.
Yes.
Because now they are busy on their phones and things, and you know earlier their only pastime was talking to other people, so conversations were more in the past. You know what Jaskaran has answered is also correct.
Yes, both the way.
It is not that only what he has said is wrong technically. He has spoken correct. Jaskaran, ठीक बोला आपने, अच्छा बोला है, ठीक है. But you can also say it the other way around. That is what I was saying. ठीक है. Do you think in the job we need a good conversation?
Yes. Of course. It is indispensable.
Yes, good conversation is indispensable because that is the base of not having any, you know, you can say
conflict,
misunderstandings. Lack of communication leads to misunderstanding. If there is no communication gap, there will be no misunderstanding. So good conversations are very important.
Yes.
In everywhere, not just in jobs. So it was a very nice class today. I can see that it was everybody of you enjoyed it because the student strength नहीं तो मेरी बाकी क्लास में क्या होता है 50-60 होते हैं क्लास एंड होने तक ना 30-35 बज जाते हैं तो मुझे लगता है वो कई लोग बोर होके चले गए छोड़ गए मुझे और अब मुझे आज लग रहा है कि उतने पे ही रहे हैं हुए बड़े ही हैं तो ये क्लास मुझे भी बड़ी अच्छी लगी है और आज कल और परसों 2 दिन we'll be discussing the essays जो मैंने फाइल कल शेयर करी थी ठीक है
yes ma'am
we'll be discussing all the essays which you couldn't which you want me to discuss with you और GT में भी मैंने एक फाइल शेयर करी थी go through those essays और जो मैंने आज important बताए आपको ओके
मैम
गेस्ट वर्क बताए हैं, वो वाले एसेस भी बुक पे से निकाल के कर लेना. इफ यू वांट मी टू डिस्कस दोस, वील डिस्कस दोस आल्सो टुमारो.
Can you also
मैम
share
वो
these cue cards?
Pardon?
Can you share these cue cards so can
Yes,
we
this
can
file I'll share. ये जो 3 है अभी लिखे,
यस
अभी लिखे नहीं है, क्यू कार्ड्स पर मैं शेयर कर दूंगी, कोई इशू नहीं है. अभी लिखे
मैम
नहीं है.
PDF कब तक आएगी न्यू क्यू
Within
कार्ड?
this week we are working on it. Fast forward mode में वर्क करे. मेरा my son and my daughter both are working on it. Okay?
ओके.
तो दोनों लगे हुए हैं. वो US में बैठी है, ये वो रात भर
और मैम वो ऐसे वाली PDF भी शेयर कर देने का.
ऐसे PDF मैं शेयर नहीं करती हूँ ना, हमारे पब्लिशर ने मना करा है स्ट्रिक्टली. ठीक है, पर जो मैं एसेस कराती हूँ वो शेयर होते हैं, जो मैंने कराए हैं. जैसे फाइल मैंने अभी 30 एसेस शेयर करे हैं, पिछले हफ्ते 30 कराए थे, वो शेयर करे थे. बुक
मैम आपने टास्क
बुक पे फर्क पड़ जाता है ना. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. आई कांट शेयर द
मैम टास्क 1 किया था,
टास्क 1 भी करा था, टास्क 2 भी जो मैंने मंडे को कराया है. टास्क एसेस मैंने शेयर करे हैं फाइल.
मैम तब हम ग्रुप में नहीं थे.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. somebody can reshare that file.
Yes ma'am, yes sure ma'am.
स्टूडेंट्स जो मंडे को एसेस की शेयर हुई है, प्लीज रीशेयर दैट फाइल. अपने
Okay ma'am.
रीशेयर कर देना, क्योंकि ग्रुप है VM, BM एंड GT एंड डेमो. ओके, 4 ग्रुप है.
और मैम वो कनेक्टर्स और रीडिंग वाली फाइल वो कर देना.
वो मैं सब में शेयर करती हूँ, उसकी वीडियोस निकाल के. ठीक है
मैम मैम हायर वोकैबुलरी ऐसे बोलने से मतलब स्पीकिंग में मैम बैंड इसमें मतलब कि अगर हम ना बोले तो डिडक्ट कर लेते हैं वैसे.
मेरे पास ना एक स्टूडेंट, बड़े बड़े इंस्टेंसेस हैं, पर एक मैं आपको बताती हूँ. वो स्टूडेंट ने भर भर के वर्ड्स बोलता था और 5 बैंड से ज्यादा नहीं आते थे स्पीकिंग में. ओके, जब मैंने उसको वर्ड्स उसके 0 कर दिए तो उसके 7 बैंड थे स्पीकिंग में.
ओह माय गॉड.
समझ गए? मतलब वर्ड्स, उसके वर्ड्स हटाने में मुझे महीना लग गया, उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रही थी कि नहीं लगाने. ठीक है, आपकी फ्लुएंसी 0 हो जाती है, अब वर्ड्स में ही घूमते रहते हो.
यस
हाँ मैम, मेरे साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ तो आपको वर्ड्स को ना निकाल दो अपने दिमाग से. आप
मैम वर्ड्स के अंदर मैं अपना ग्रामर भूल गई ऐसा लगता है मुझे. मैं वर्ड्स ही लगाने के चक्कर में पड़ी रहती हूँ.
ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं फिर.
देखो, अगर आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी है ना, वो वर्ड्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर वोकैबुलरी एंड लाइफ हैं, फिर आपके वो ना वो शो ही नहीं होंगे. समझ गए? पर जब आप वर्ड डालने के लिए वर्ड्स करते हो ना, वो बहुत नेगेटिव हो जाता है.
यस
ठीक है, आप ये बात पक्की मान के चलो, वोकैबुलरी के बिना आप प्रैक्टिस करो. जो 2 4 6 वर्ड्स आपको आ जाएंगे, जो आप रोज बोलोगे, उन पे फोकस करो. फोकस ऑन योर ग्रामर, फोकस ऑन नेचुरल इंग्लिश. फोकस ऑन द राइट पॉजेस, focus on speaking just naturally and normally. Then you will fetch better bands. ठीक है?
Yes.
जैसे आप किथ एंड किन बोलना है, फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स बोलो, माय फ्रेंड्स. कुछ नहीं है इन वर्ड्स में पड़ा हुआ. ठीक है, अब किथ एंड किन है, अब किथ्स बोल दिया या किन्स बोल दिया, वो गलत हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं आता. ठीक है, तो वर्ड्स के चक्कर में ये बड़ी गड़बड़ होती है. फिर प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत हो जाती है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत होगी तो और नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. प्रोनाउंसिएशन के बहुत बैंड है. तो स्पीक सिंपल इंग्लिश. ओके, वर्ड्स को भूल जाओ. वर्ड्स अपने आप जो है ना, जो राइट वर्ड्स लगेंगे. ऐसे ही राइटिंग में है, राइटिंग में भी वर्ड्स पे फोकस मत करो, पॉइंट्स पे, ग्रामर पे, हैंडलिंग ऑफ द एसे पे. फोकस ऑन दोज थिंग्स, दे आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
हाँ, जो आपने कल टास्क दिया था, टास्क 1, उसके जो वो नेम्स थे, नेचुरल गैस, और वो कैपिटल लेटर्स में आएंगे?
नहीं, कोई जरूरी नहीं है. बिल्कुल, वो तो लेबलिंग होती है, वहां पे कैपिटल होते हैं. वो कोई प्रॉपर नाउन थोड़ी है. ठीक है
मैम.
हाँ
मैम, ये जो हम टॉपिक्स जैसे करते हैं स्पीकिंग का या कोई भी दूसरे ऐसे टॉपिक्स, तो जो एग्जाम पेपर जो रहता है, तो वो अलग सिटी के हिसाब से अलग रहता है या सब जगह सेम रहता है? जैसे मुंबई में अलग या पंजाब में अलग, ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या?
सारे
मतलब
वर्ड्स में सेम है स्पीकिंग.
Yes.
US, कनाडा, इंडिया, न्यूजीलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, चाइना,
यूक्रेन, यस।
एवरीवेयर।
नहीं, वो मैंने ना एक मतलब पता नहीं किसी का ईमेल आया था जैसे स्पीकिंग में कौन सी कंट्री में कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछा था ऐसा, तो मैंने ऐसे यूक्रेन पढ़ा था लेकिन था तो सेम ही, तो मेरे को याद आ गया।
तो कोई सेम है मिशिका? सेम
मैम मैम हाउ टू ओवरकम द लाइक फियरनेस और नर्वसनेस व्हाइल स्पीकिंग?
आप, मुझे नहीं लगता आपको कोई फियर है या नर्वसनेस है।
मैम है, कल ना मैम ने पूछा था, सो आई वाज फंबलिंग सो मच
सो
ड्यूरिंग
व्हाट,
लाइक इन क्यू
फंबलिंग हट
कार्ड।
जाएगी, प्रैक्टिस करो। अभी आपको 2 दिन हुए हैं ज्वाइन करे। ओके
Ma'am,
हाँ
nowadays, as you know, that CRS score is very high. So I was thinking, what would be the good band to achieve such scores?
देखो, आपको ना स्पीकिंग में, लिसनिंग में बहुत स्टूडेंट्स के 9 आए हुए हैं, स्पीकिंग में नहीं, लिसनिंग में। स्पीकिंग में 8 तक मेरे बहुत बच्चों के आए हुए हैं, 8.5 थोड़े लिमिटेड है, 9 भी है एक स्टूडेंट। पर ना ये लिसनिंग में और रीडिंग में बहुत बच्चों के 9 आए हुए हैं भाई, उन पे फोकस करो। वो बैंड आपके कोई छीन नहीं सकते।
मैम
सब्जेक्टिव है राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग है, एग्जामिनर पे डिपेंड करता है। एक स्टूडेंट को सेम एग्जामिनर आ गया, जो पहले आया था दोबारा पेपर देना पड़ा, सेम एग्जामिनर था, पिछली बार 7.5 इस बार 6.5। कोई ये नहीं है कि आपका वो से सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग है और वो स्टूडेंट की कोई इंग्लिश थोड़ी कम हो गई।
मैम मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ था।
हाँ, तो वो ये ऐसा नहीं है। आपको ना सिंपल इंग्लिश पे फोकस करना है, वर्ड्स को भूलना है, प्रैक्टिस करो बोलने की। इंद्रजीत, प्रैक्टिस करो बस। ओके, प्रेफरेबली जब हम टीचर देते हैं आपको, यू कैन रिक्वेस्ट द टीचर टू हैव अ वीडियो स्पीकिंग, ठीक है?
जैसे नॉर्मल वे में कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं वैसे ही। हाँ, वैसा ही।
मेरी एक स्टूडेंट के 8.5 आए थे स्पीकिंग में, मुझे फोन करती, मैम कैसे आ गए, मेरे को तो लगा मैं फ्रेंड से बातें करके निकल आई हूँ बाहर, 8.5 कैसे आ गए। और एक और स्टूडेंट, मेरा नेफ्यू ही है, वो स्पीकिंग दे के आया, कहता बुआ मैं भी हंसी जा रहा था, एग्जामिनर भी हंसी जा रहे थे। और 8.5 बैंड है उसके। होल्ड अच्छी है, वो तो मैगजीन्स के लिए भी आर्टिकल्स लिखता है, इज गॉट वेरी गुड इंग्लिश। पर ना वो मतलब नेचुरल सिंपल बोल के आओ बस।
यस, ठीक
है। और उसके जो आर्टिकल्स होते हैं ना मैगजीन में भी जो आते हैं मेरे नेफ्यू के, वो ऐसी इंग्लिश है बिल्कुल सिंपल, मतलब वो पढ़ी जाती है, समझ आती है। वो कोई भी अब एक कोई बुक
सब पढ़ लेते हैं।
हाँ, वो मेरे को बुक दी किसी ने ये पढ़ने के लिए, मैंने 1 पेज पढ़ा, मुझे 4 बार डिक्शनरी की तरफ जाने की जरूरत लगी, मैंने वो बुक बंद करके रख दी। मैंने कहा ये तो पढ़ी नहीं जाने वाली, ये तो मतलब स्ट्रेस देती है, मतलब ऐसी स्ट्रेस देती है। स्ट्रेस देने वाली लैंग्वेज ना बोलो ना लिखो, सिंपल लिखो, ठीक है? बस दैट इज इट, यू विल गेट वेरी गुड स्कोर। आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, आइडियाज वगैरह करो एसेस के, बहुत सारे एसेस हैं, बहुत सारे ग्राफ्स हैं, बहुत सारी लेटर्स हैं, उनको गो थ्रू करो। एंड स्पीकिंग में सिंप्लिसिटी पे फोकस करो, आपकी आधा स्ट्रेस तो वैसे ही दूर हो जाएगा। सना, दूर हो गया ना स्ट्रेस जब आपको पता चल गया कि वर्ड्स नहीं डालने?
जी हाँ मैम।
तो आप
दूर हो गया मैम, लेकिन क्या है 2 महीने से मुझे लगातार ये बोला जा रहा था वोकेबलरी डालो वोकेबलरी डालो। अब मैं वोकेबलरी इतनी डालने लग गई हूँ, मैं ग्रामर भूल गई हूँ मैम।
तो आप ग्रामर पे ही फोकस करो, सिंपल बोलो।
हाँ मैम, जी हाँ मैम,
नेचुरल बोलो बस।
जी मैम, मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगी सिंपल बोलने का।
अब मुझे नहीं लगा आपको कोई फियर है या स्ट्रेस है, आप आराम से अपना रिलैक्स करके लगाओ, ठीक है? बोला करो। चलो, ओके। आयशा, ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स बहुत थी बेटे, उन पे फोकस करना है। हर सेंटेंस में छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक आ रही थी, ठीक है? सिंपल बोलोगे ना, फिर वो मिस्टेक्स कम हो जाएंगी। सिंपलिसिटी पे ज्यादा फोकस करो, ठीक है?
मैम, सिटी से फर्क स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग।
इफ यू आर गुड एवरीवेयर।
मैम आजकल भी सुबह शाम पेपर हो रहे हैं या अभी बंद हो गए?
सुबह शाम
हो रहे हैं मेरे ख्याल 2 टाइम
हो रहे हैं मैम।
चलो, और जिसका भी अच्छा, आप सब क्लास में हो, किसी को कोई क्यू कार्ड पता चले प्लीज शेयर करना।
यस प्लीज।
हाँ, शेयर कर दो, हम फटाफट उसको तैयारी करवा के ऐसे करवा देंगे। अगले वेडनेसडे फिर अगली क्लास करवा दूंगी मैं स्पीकिंग की। अच्छी लगी क्लास आज की?
यस मैम, बहुत अच्छी थी।
यस मैम,
बहुत।
ओके ओके, बाय
बाय मैम, गुड नाइट।
पीडीएफ भी शेयर कर दोगे ना ग्रुप में?
क्या? Pardon?
ये पीडीएफ अभी क्यूकट की ग्रुप में शेयर करोगे ना?
हाँ, ये जो मैंने कराए हैं अभी ये कर दूंगी शेयर, ठीक है? चलो,
ओके ओके।
ऐसे भी कर देना प्लीज।